Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make raw vegan cheese. If you like the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. So firstly we have to blend soaked and rinsed almonds with a little water. We will also receive a milk which can be used in other recipes. Now we have to separate almonds from the milk. It's better to use double fold gauze for it, but I will use a plain cloth. The milk you can keep in the fridge up to 3 days, but we won't need it now. We have to put the almonds in the bowl. Now we add a lemon or lime juice. Unmelted coconut oil. Some yeast flakes. And spices. I will use sweet pepper, black pepper, salt, basil, and turmeric to give our cheese a yellow color. I will add also finely chopped tomato, dill and chives. Now we mix everything together precisely. Now we have to put our cheese in a form lined with cling film or baking paper. I also add some basil and sweet pepper on top of the cheese. We have to put our cheese in the freezer for a few minutes. Our cheese is already chilled. It tastes great on sandwiches, in salads, or it is a great snack on its own. Bon appetit!